Most consumers look to the more established brand names for big-ticket items like big-screen TVs. Now there are new players in the market selling so-called no-brand models at bargain prices.
You could buy a Kogan TV for as little as $1.
Yes, we're a new brand in the market, but I assure you our quality is there.
Two young TV titans taking on the muscle of retail giant Harvey Norman, trying to beat billionaire Gerry Harvey at his own game.
I think they're on a hiding to nothing.
You could save 60, maybe even up to 70%.
To say Ruslan Kogan is ambitious is not doing him justice. The 26-year-old is so confident in selling televisions, he's put his own name on the box.
Kogan cuts out all the middlemen, so rather than everyone taking their 20-30% cut, we're the factory straight to the consumer.
He wants his slice of one of the toughest consumer markets. Hundreds of brands, all getting cheaper by the day. So to stand out, he sells his televisions on eBay for as little as $1.
We're confident in the natural market price of our products. We're confident that we're selling a product that's in demand, and we're confident that consumers want it and know what it's worth.
If there's no bids, you can take it for 99 cents.
Meet his competition, Sunil Tyagi. He also sells his own labelled televisions on eBay for $1.
We don't have expensive shop front. We don't like to spend money on glossy finishes on the shops. We like to concentrate on the product quality. That's where we are, and that's what the customer wants, value for money.
The truth is, it's a good marketing tool rather than smart business. Most of the televisions end up selling for more than $1, but much less than retail price.
Consumers will look around in the marketplace. If they can get another 47-inch for just over $2,000, they might bid just under $2,000 on a Kogan.
But does buying cheaper unknown brands mean you're buying rubbish? We decided to put them up against world leader Samsung to see if tech expert Charlie Brown could spot the difference.
Watching TV, the difference is very slight, but I can tell which is the most expensive one. And I think the Samsung is this one here on the left.
Not much difference in quality, but a huge difference to your wallet. Almost a $5,000 gap between the Tyagi Full HD LCD at $1,100 to the $6,000 Samsung. This one here is a Kogan.
Sure.
It's $1,700. He buys direct from China, so it could be Samsung or it could be an LG, could it not?
It could have components from all different kinds of manufacturers. The way the manufacturing techniques in China work with those big companies that mass produce TVs for different brands around the world, they'll pull components from wherever they can to get the best product.
It might be made in the same factory, some of those components, but it's made on that assembly line, not on that assembly line. Or we take some of the good components here, but some of the ordinary ones from here.
Samsung, LG and Sharp are the biggest manufacturers of LCD screens in the world. Sony and Sharp are in partnership together, while LG and Samsung also buy some of their screens from the same factory. Samsung claim to use 90% of their own components in their LCD televisions, and most are protective of letting the brand sharing out of the box. Around 20% of Harvey Norman's revenue is television sales, so billionaire boss Gerry Harvey has lots to lose if consumers switch off the big-name brands he stocks.
I mean, we've had lots of opportunities over the year to bring in heaps of unbranded stuff and stick a price on it and sell it and take the consequences later. Our view is we don't want to do that, because once you do that and you sell a whole heap of rubbish, then, you know, it comes back and bites you on the bum.
That brings us to warranty, and there's no difference between the big brands and Kogan and Tyagi. They all offer a 12-month guarantee, so if the warranty's the same and the picture quality almost identical, then what's holding you back from saving a small fortune?
We stand by our products and we're sure you'll be happy with them.
And a final piece of advice from the master to his apprentices.
So my view is that if you want to get into business, get in at the right side. Get in with the brands and the quality product and that sort of thing, and build your business like that, because at the end of if you're good at it, at the end of the day you'll have this great business.